Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh! What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something completely different that I bet you didn't even think that I would ever make a video like this, but guess what? I did, because I've been watching a ton of like POV street photography videos lately, and I gotta admit, I'm kind of addicted to it. It's very soothing, it's relaxing, it's kind of like ASMR. Like, you just watch it and then before you know it, I'm like sleeping in bed, and it's like the best feeling. It's just nice, you know, it's nice. And my buddy Evan has been making a couple POV street photography videos as well, and we share their studio space together. He's actually right here. Ev, come say hi.
Hello.
That's Ev. Go subscribe to his channel because he's insanely talented, and that's my boy.
Thanks, man.
Hey, you're welcome. But anyway, as the title of the video says, guys, today we went out and we shot some POV street photos. And the main reason why I wanted to go out and do this is because I haven't just picked up my camera and gone out to shoot for fun in a very, very long time, and that is not okay, all right? You cannot get too buried in your client work to the point where you don't even want to pick up your camera and go out to shoot just to have fun with your boys, because then at that point, shooting photography and video feels like work, and I don't want this to ever feel like work. I picked up a camera for fun, right? I never picked it up for money. I never picked it up thinking that I would be where I am at this point today, and I have slowly drifted away from having fun with the camera. So me and Evan went out, we shot some street photography. I slapped a GoPro on my chest just to see how this video would come out, and I actually really like it. So if you guys don't like it, I apologize. Actually, I don't. So if you don't like it, just don't watch it. If you do like it, stick around for some more, because I definitely want to do more of these. And yeah, this is just a really good exercise to go out and try to shoot things that you're not good at. Like, I'm not good at shooting street photos, which is why I never do it. Putting yourself into these exercises to go out and do things like this will only get you better over time. So expect some more of these videos coming your way. And that's about it, so let's get into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, drop a thumbs up down below, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace. All right, we're rolling. Man, I don't know how to do this. Ev, how do we shoot street?
How do we shoot street, he says?
I don't know.
What kind of boots are those, man?
These are the old Thursdays, baby.
Wow.
All right, so we're out here shooting some street photos today. And the main reason why we're out here is because I want to get better at doing this kind of stuff. You know, like just walking around and creating compositions within the environment. And I think that, by doing exercises like this, it'll make you a better filmmaker too, because you'll be able to create better compositions to help tell your story.
We're gonna see if we can make any magic happen today. It's a little cold, huh, bud?
It's not bad. This thing is making my coat rise up. I look like a dork.
I'm going back to my bread and butter. We're off auto ISO right now. That's only 200.
Oh, dude, this is the street. I want to get a flick down here so bad. These buildings I've always wanted to get a picture of for some reason. I think it's so good, like the way the buildings just stack down here. The way the light hits everything is just so crazy.
That's sick.
I will say, shooting 85 is quite strange in the street. Never done this before. So me and Evan came down here to try to catch sunrise, but we woke up a little later than expected. And we caught like, we got down here right as the sun was coming over the horizon, so I kind of missed out on some of that like early morning light, but the light is still good right now, so we can't complain. But right here, there's something about the images this way.
Dude, shoot 85 street photography? Tough.
Yeah, this is tough. I might have to move back actually.
It's a different side of the city than you're used to, which I think is pretty cool. Don't you say, pal?
Yes. Might be cool, might not, we'll see. I've always been absolute shit at shooting street photography. I don't know, I just think it's so hard, like I said, to go out here and just create compositions with like what you're given, you know? So the fun thing about shooting street photos or just going out to shoot with friends is that you can kind of like set up shots. So Evan wants to get a shot right now of me crossing the street with the reflection in that puddle. So what we're gonna do is just kind of stage it so that way there it looks natural. But
Alright, ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Walk across this way.
Yeah.
And go.
So we'll see how those look for him.
We got rain last night. Snowed a little bit. And we got some puddles in the city.
That was probably a dumb photo. Not close enough. I kind of want to follow this person though and get a flick, because I think they're gonna walk into the light somewhere over here, and it might be really, really cool. Shoot a 1.4. That could be kind of cool, I guess. Let me try to get this one around over here. She stopped. I think I have to loosen up this chest mount because it keeps like rising up and pulling on me. I'm gonna throw my camera into silent mode just so I can be a ninja here.
Morning. How are you? Good. A little cold, but yeah.
Yeah.
At school?
Yeah.
No, we do it full time.
What kind?
A lot of
What kind?
a lot of brand deals and stuff, and then like a lot of content creation for small businesses.
Yeah.
A lot of local stuff.
Is it coming in? You're getting work?
Yeah.
We're busy as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the internet. They
Yeah.
got everything on there.
Gotta love the internet.
Yeah.
Social media.
Are you Rhode Islanders?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, born and raised.
Yep.
It was nice to meet you. Have a good day. I know.
Usually this lot is like full.
Oh. Okay, I can get with that. Alright, so as we were talking to this lady, I was holding my camera kind of by my hip, and I had my camera in silent mode, and I was just kind of spraying and praying, hoping that I got her. And as we walked by her right here, I had my camera up on my chest, trying to get a composition of her, but as you can tell, I missed every shot. Oh! Oh, nothing's even in focus. Wow, lots of birds. Friendship Street. No friends today. Man, my camera's like so old that sometimes my dials and buttons don't work. I don't know what zone to shoot on here. Like, do I go with the medium spot? Do I go large? Do I go zone? Do I go wide? I don't know. That's what we're out here today to figure out. Man, these stairs right here, they'd be dope if I had someone walking down them for a composition. That'd be pretty cool. Got some puddles on the ground over here, but there's no real like subject to shoot. This could be kind of cool if I frame this right. The leading lines right here. I don't know, could be kind of cool, could be kind of shit. We'll see. You know, we'll see. I like to shoot portraits a lot. I'm like a portrait guy.
Same.
Come on, joystick. See, I just like moved my joystick 3 times and it didn't move. I lay in the morning, don't be mad. I am hungry. I could go for a nice bacon, egg, and cheese. I don't know, cinnamon raisin right now. Woo. This building says Remington 1888. That could be kind of cool if you edit it right. Oh, we got some of the green pants. Where are they going? Alright, let's drop the aperture down. Let's try to get in position to shoot this guy down the street. This could be kind of gas. Could be cool with the green pants once I edit it, kind of reframe them. Oh, he's got the green pants with the green light. Let's see, can I get a reflection out of this puddle? Is it not deep enough? I don't think it, oh, okay, I can get a reflection. Can't see my screen though. Shooting at 1.4. Oh, okay. Oh, this could be kind of sick actually. I'm looking up into these windows up here. It's got that reflection going on. Could be kind of cool. Could be kind of trippy. You frame it right here. See that building and the reflection that I'm shooting? Right there where the focus is. That is the Superman building. I don't even know if you guys can see this. But that's the Superman building here in Providence. They shot Superman there. Well, they shot a couple scenes from one of the Superman movies. I don't even know, is mine still blinking red?
Hey, is it still rolling? Oh, dude, we're past 30 minutes already.
What's my battery on? Does it say?
Looks like you got more than half.
Nice. Kind of want to shoot this. Stop down 5.6. Can you guys see this? Bring it up on a 3rd. Get a couple layers going. Could be cool. Could be shit. We won't know until we're in Lightroom.
That's it, baby.
Alright, there you go. Who's beeping? Who's beeping? Sunday morning.
Huh?
Who's beeping on Sunday morning? It's unbelievable.
Isn't that crazy?
There's something about the way these buildings stack. I can never photograph it right. Got a big puddle right here. Shoot into the light. Could be kind of sick. Try to get Ev on his way over. Let's see. Oh, camera just froze. Oh.
Any good shots?
Oh yeah, a lot.
Get one of me.
Yeah? Got you right here, my man. Oh. 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 Yeah. Oh.
Come on, you get a big.
Yeah.
My little homeless friend, I've been taking care of him. I haven't seen you, all the clothes you got on, I put on him. Look at him.
Oh, my man.
I'm 37, he's 31. Look, he's my little brother from another mother.
Love it. Love it.
Feeding him. Everything he's got on, I gave him. Is that right?
Hey, you guys have a good day.
You guys smoke?
Nah, I don't.
Good job.
The arcade. Could be a cool little flick here. Just got some dope flicks from Jason.
I just got some dope flicks, Jason.
That's my boy. Oh!
Whoa.
Could be gas.
That's gonna be fire.
Could also be shit. It's kind of cool.
Don't be evil, slide righteously.
Hello, sir.
Whoa, what's up?
Who are you?
My name is Evan. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Mac's best buddy.
Guys, this is Evan. Go subscribe to his channel because he's insanely talented and he's also posting a lot on YouTube lately, and I think you guys will enjoy his content if you liked this video. So go subscribe to Evan. Show him some love. Ev, any words you want to say to the people?
Just guys, if you like photography and just chill vibes, I just make cool, chill videos. Nothing really to them besides just some dope flicks and some dope spots. So if you want to subscribe and you like photography, then come on over.
That's it. Go over, show Ev some love. Catch you guys in the next one.